a short ride this morning. We'll see how things go. Hopefully, I don't end up on my butt. Gotta do something to exercise. So, a little bit rocky, a little bit bumpy. Anyway, talk to you guys in a bit. So far, so good. Haven't really pushed it at all. A few little bumps and lumps. Hips feeling pretty good. God, it's been so long since I've been on the bike. It actually feels really good to the point where, you know, I kind of want to dare it. Anyway, so we're cruising along. Guy on his bike. See what's happening here. Let's try the parking lot. Let's see if we got any traffic. Nothing really. So, back here on the open road. We'll work up a little bit of cardio anyway. I like a little bit of view out on the day, huh? Can't really see the hip when I'm doing that. I can feel it in my quads. Feel a little bit, both hips right now. Holy crap, I haven't done this in a while. Alright. Let's see if we can bring this down a bit. A bit. Another short break. Actually, this is the first short break I've taken. So, over by the dog park at the moment. Oh, Pip is going to be most annoyed. Oh, I'm looking down at the camera here. Oh, hello down camera. So I have to remember to look up. So it's hard to believe that it's June. This is my first ride. I'm not really pushing it. I'm just tired of not having any movement on the hip at all. Kind of need it. So God only knows how long it's going to be before I have the surgery. So I gotta do something to keep exercise. So anyhow, a little exercise better than no exercise, I guess, eh? Anyway, later. So, lying on a bike, you made it. So the hardest part of the whole ride, getting off, I guess. Oh, that's the problem. So anyway, we're on the hill here, so hopefully I'll make it a little, we're on the hill here. It'll make it a little bit easier. Yeah, I'm out of breath. So, put a few clicks on, work the hip a bit. Yeah, no real grief, so road is good. Didn't really put it through a hill, so, except for the, the last leg back there coming up from the park entrance. And that wasn't too bad, even standing and throwing the weight on it to keep the wheels rolling. So that was good. Anyway, that's this old man on a bike, still rolling, even with a crappy hip. All right, later all.